So after, sorry, this is my Frankie Stain makeup. Now, after I'm done wasting my time doing my makeup for one or two likes, it gives me time to practice, and that's what I like. I remove it. Now, I bought this brand new, like makeup remover, scrub, you name it, at Transworld over there in St. Louis this past weekend. Um, and it's a paranormal scrub by Mountain Man, I believe, or Mountain Scrub. I'll get the info, but that's them right there. I bought a bottle with my friend, and we shared it because it was $50. So over there I had some makeup, so it did remove it, and it left my skin feeling so freaking good. So I'm gonna try here in camera for you guys to see how it works with cosplay makeup, you know what I mean? Or special effects. I bought this at a haunted house convention. So it was advertised for haunted houses, so when the actors are done, they take their makeup off. So because I'm a cosplayer and I do makeup, I want to try it for myself. Today I'm wearing water-based makeup, but I did set it with powdered, and I have all kinds of different textures of makeup. So I'm going to see how this removes it. I actually have some Prosade on my neck where the little bolts are. So we'll see if this works. It does say to shake it well, mix it, but since I don't have that much here, I can just go like that. And now the guy did tell me that this does have some essential oils. It's natural. And it doesn't have like a natural scent to it. It looks like that. Okay. It was filled up, till the top, but I split it with my friend because it was $50, like I said. And, we're about that. So I just mix it a little bit. Just a little. I did shake it before. I did mix it a little bit. It says that you just have to grab just a little bit. So, yeah. Let's take the illusion off. And I'm going to go ahead and take the wig off. There she goes, girl. There she goes. So sad. Anyways. Okay, so there goes Miss Mama, Miss Hair. Over here. Let me put her right there. I do got to take... she fell on the floor. I do got to take my contacts off because ain't nobody got time for this falling in my eyes. You're not supposed to get it in your eyes. So, yeah, I'm going to try not to get it in my eyes. But let me take my contact lens off. This is the first one. Okay, I took that one. This is one of my favorite contact lenses. This green one. Look at my eye. So basic. Nobody got time for her. We don't know her. So I'm celebrating my birthday this weekend. Yes. So there goes the contacts. Now, let me take this off. Oop, there it goes. Take it off. And now I'm going to take my eyelashes off. Yeah, it's just, if you wanted to see this is how it works. I grabbed just a little bit right there. Okay, I'm going to rub it. And he said that when you put it on, you have to rub it. The faster you go, the faster it will come off. So, yeah. I'm probably going to be making a mess here, but now this removes all the dead skin. Us cosplayers, look at this. Don't eat it. Us cosplayers are always looking for ways to take our makeup off without hurting our skin. So this is pretty cool. It's a scrub. It does get everywhere. I'm doing it here in my makeup room, but I would do it in the shower for sure. Because it's so grainy, I might not do it on over my eyes with this. Just in case I don't want it to fall in my eye, but over the outside, it works. It looks like it's coming off nicely. I'm just gonna do my face and I'll do the rest on the shower, on my neck and my arms. If it falls in your mouth, it is a little bit salty. So I guess it has a salt base, but it does work. I see it coming off. I can see it here. You see? Without having to do much, it's coming off. So I mean, it's serving its purpose. Yeah, but because it's very like, it has the little particles, I'm not gonna do it on my eyelid. I'm just gonna do it on the outside, and the rest I'll just do it outside. But it is taking that off. So that is exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my face real quick, wash it, and come back and see how it did, okay? Okay, so this is how it's looking. I'm not gonna lie, most of it came off. I did have a lot of makeup. He did say, to do it with like warm water, and just to wipe it off, and it does really work. Look at this. I just used water, removing like the grainy part, like the salt. And I didn't do it over my eyes, so I didn't use any soap or anything. But whenever all that salt was off, it does leave some oily situation going on your face, which feels really, really hydrating, soft. It leaves your skin feeling really soft. I am not going to lie. It feels good. You know. They are a small company, family owned. And the owner, he told me that his wife is she makes them. And I wanted to support. And I tried it. And I really, really, really do like it. It removed it all without leaving anything. I mean, yeah, it did leave a little bit of that, the streakiness and all that stuff. But like the hard makeup, like the lipstick, my lipstick was one of those stain ones, which, usually, it takes me a little bit to take it off. It worked fine. Now I do have a little bit on my hand from, washing it off, and, it's very like very soft, oily. I think it's great. I love it. I actually do. I'm glad I bought it. I might be buying more. I do have the contact of the guy. I do not know. I think he has a website. I will look it up and link it up. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. You can see all my imperfections, but it leaves your skin feeling very dewy, very hydrated, which I'm not gonna lie, I need it. It did exfoliate my skin. I mean, it looks better than before, This stuff is something special. He says it has a lot of essential oils, and I can feel it on my skin. So I'm all here for it. Yeah, look at this. It all came off. The residual of that oiliness that left on my face, I used it to wipe the rest off. And yeah, it's coming off nicely. I'm not gonna lie, girl. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. So yeah, it's called Mountain Man, I believe. Let me see. I can get you all the info in a little bit. But this is the one I bought. Is the Paranormal Scrub. And it's sugar-free, diabetic friendly. And it says MMSK LLC. That's them right there. This big jug, I got it for $50. They were, running like a special promotion over there at the convention. It was a trade show, so I got it for a good price. It's a little bougie because it took me, a couple of scoops to like remove it, but who doesn't like a bougie routine? It did remove it all off. All off. Even the Prozade, which is alcohol based. So it needed to be cleaned out with alcohol, and it came off nicely. So Girl, I think I found my new best favorite scrub when I do my makeup. Like special effects, or I do like cosplay. That way, I wouldn't use it for my regular makeup because first, it's too expensive. Second of all, I need it for like the hard stuff, which is like, cosplay makeup. Cosplay makeup. My nose ring is like, leave me alone, girl. So yeah, that's it. My skin's looking snatched. I will post the link of their website and all the info. So if you want to follow them and buy their products, let them know Mary Made in Hell sent you. I mean, you're not going to get a discount because I just met them. But hey, who knows? If you tell them that I sent you, they might give me some and I can give you a discount. Who knows? So thank you for watching. Love you guys. And I will see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe and channel. Love you guys. Mwah.